Hey guys, I wanted to come on and just share with you for my uh people that follow me or have subscribed to my channel because of the Nailboo or me doing my nails. I wanted to come on and show you that I did my nails, and I want to show you what two colors look like. So this is the Expresso Elegance, and this is one of the newest colors that Nailboo had. And on one of my videos, I actually showed this to you on one of the little fake nails on what the color will look like. And then this is one of my older colors, which is the cotton candy. And you guys know I've had the cotton candy since the beginning, and you can see how much I have left. So the product lasts a really long time, but I use these two colors together, and this is the outcome. So I hope you guys can get the true color here of the Espresso Elegance with cotton candy on top. Like, I absolutely love it. Now, it is kind of like a mocha brownish kind of color. So hopefully the color is coming through for you guys. And guys, my nails are growing now. So I'm so glad that I finally got this hand to cooperate, because it was the mess at first. If you guys have followed me for a while, you'll know that the right hand gave me the most problems. But I went in and did my nails last night, and decided to try these two colors together. And that's one of the things, like, I have a lot of people that will say to me that they want to try other dip powders or other dip colors because they're not happy with Nailboo dip colors. And I totally understand that. And we're women, so we're constantly changing our minds, and we like to have a variety of different stuff that we can, or colors that we can use, you know. But I love to mix and match my colors. So initially, when I put the first coat of the Espresso Elegance on, I thought that I would just do that color by itself. No, initially, before I put the Espresso Elegance on, I was going to do Espresso Elegance with the green color that I had on last time. Um, but when I put that first coat of the Espresso Elegance on, I was like, no, I just want to do that color. And then after I got it all on my nails, I was like, oh, I bet that would be pretty with the cotton candy, because you guys know I love glitter. And so I was like, let me put the cotton candy on top. But I absolutely love how the color came out with the two together. I mean, I like the Espresso Elegance. I will wear it by itself, but I hadn't did the cotton candy in a while, and I wanted to, add some glitter. And so there you go. Wanted to share that with you guys. So hopefully you can see the color really good. I know sometimes it doesn't come across so well on the camera, and plus my laptop camera is horrible. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and share that with you guys, that I had did my nails and try these two colors together if you have them. Um, but you could put cotton candy on top of any of the colors, because the cotton candy is kind of like a real translucent pink. So if you put it on by itself, you're not going to get a lot of, oh, I love that color. To me, it's to enhance another color. I would never use cotton candy by itself, but if you like it, that translucent look, then go for it. But let's see if you guys can kind of see that without me wasting it. And kind of bring the camera down a little bit. But hopefully you can see it's pink, a translucent pink, and then it has a bunch of glitter particles in it, pink glitter particles in it. And I absolutely love cotton candy. But like I said, the first time I tried cotton candy, I think I did it by itself, and I didn't like it because it was too light for me. And I don't like super light colors like that. So I think cotton candy should be used as an enhancer to another color. So I've tried cotton candy on top of Dark Dreams. I've tried it on top of the Velvet Lust. And now I've tried it on top of the Espresso Elegance. But I absolutely love this new color Espresso Elegance. I absolutely love this new color. And so there you can see it's kind of like a mocha coffee kind of color. Coffee after you've put the cream in it. All right, so that's all, guys. I wasn't gonna make this a long video. I just wanted to talk about Nailboo's new colors, and as I use each one, I think I have two more colors that I haven't used that I'll demo the colors and what they look like on my hands. One of them is really light, so I'm probably gonna be using that again with the cotton candy, but I will be using this Espresso Elegance with the green color, something maca. I can't remember the name, and I don't have it right here in front of me. Wait a minute, hold on. Magic maca. So these two colors I will be trying together at some point because I think they would be absolutely gorgeous together. So at some point I will be trying these two together, but I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it last night. I don't know, guys. It's something about me when I put on a color. It's like, oh, I love that color now. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. But if you guys have this color, for those that have the Nailboo product, if you have these two colors and you haven't tried them together, try them together and let me see what they look like. In a situation like that, I would do 3 nails, like the Espresso Elegance, and then I would do the 2 nails would be like my blinged out nails, so to speak, and then I would put that magic maca on those 2 nails, this finger and this finger. So those 2 nails, I would put the additional color, or you know, do the Espresso Elegance in 3 nails, and then do the Espresso Elegance with the cotton candy on top to bling out 2 nails. Get creative, guys, because when we were going in the nail shop, and some of you still may, but when we were going in the nail shops, we would always want to get a design, so to speak, on, 1 or 2 nails, and they would do an upcharge because you wanted, a design on your nails. But I absolutely love the Espresso Elegance with that cotton candy on top. I think it's gorgeous. So if you try mix and match any colors or try any colors with the cotton candy on top, then please share in the comments, how it turned out for you, because I would like to hear that. And I haven't given up on Nailboo yet. For those that are seeing my tutorial or video for the first time talking about Nailboo, Nailboo is a dip powder that you can do at home in the comforts of your own home. I've been doing it now. I think I started doing Nailboo last year. It had to be last year because it was the start of the pandemic. And so I've been using Nailboo now for over a year. And I switched over to acrylic for a hot second so I can get this hand to start growing. And then when this hand started growing out, I flipped back over to the dip powder. But Nailboo, you can get a kit for like $50. It's going to come with everything you need, including one color, just one color. You get to choose one color. And then it's just like fingernail polish. You're just polishing your nails. That's the way I tell people. And then you use the dip powder or the build powder to just dip your finger in it, and you dip your finger in the colors. If you want to see the process, I have plenty of video tutorials where I have went through the process of how to apply the Nailboo dip powder. Okay. Um, but yeah, I really love it. And then I'll put my referral code in the comments or in the description, because you get $10 off if you use the referral code. But I absolutely love it. My nails are growing, guys, and I no longer have to worry about, going into the nail salons, because of, the risk with COVID thing. I ain't taking no chances. Y'all might go in there, but I ain't taking no chances, y'all. and I suggest you not either. And then the Nailboo one kit, guys, will last you up to 30 30 applications or 30 applications of the dip. And I'm still on like number one of my build powder. Like the product lasts a long time. So when you think about $50 and you could do your nails 30 times, you do the math, if you were going into the nail salon. So the $50 is worth it. And then you can get an upgraded kit where you get multiple colors. And I think it's around $100, something like that. I don't know, because I never ordered the kit with more than one color. I started out with the $50 kit, and then I continued to build my colors from there. So not too far from having all colors, all of Nailboo's colors. Not too far from it. Like if you walk in my bathroom and see all the colors, you'll be like, what nail salon is this? But yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I want to tell you was about these two colors. So mix and match, guys. To kind of bring some life, to these different colors. And especially when you get, bored with just one or two colors that you may have, mix and match them. I've even taken two colors and poured them into a separate container and mix those two colors together and put those colors on my nails like that. And I have a tutorial on me doing that as well. So get creative, guys. That's all I'm telling you. It's just to get creative with the Nailboo so that you don't get bored, because we can get bored easily. But for me, the Nailboo dip powder does help to grow your nails. I love it. It's easy to apply. Um, I would say before you buy it, look at some of my latest videos so you can get some of the tips that I learned along the way to help you, because, you don't want to end up with your top getting stuck or your application getting kind of thick and gooey like. So I give you tips and pointers on that. That's it. I didn't want to make this video super, super long. I just want to tell you about the new colors and to tell you to get creative and use some of the different colors. Instead of just going with the one color by itself. Now, I do want to get to the point where I can do one color on the bottom and then a different color on the tip like we used to do in the nail salon, but I ain't got there yet. I'm going to practice it, and I may do that next time on a tutorial with you guys just to see how it goes. But, you got to have that straight line, when you do it. You don't want it to look like you did it at home, okay? Guys, do it yourself at home in the comforts of your home. Stay safe. Nailboo dip powder. I love it. Again, I put the referral code in there so you can at least save $10 if you decide to try the application. It will last you at least 30 different applications. Okay. And then, you can order as many colors as you like. Now, someone did ask, I'll close with this. Someone did ask me, can you use a different dip color on your nails instead of Nailboo's dip color? I've never tried it. I don't think it would hurt anything, you know. So if you are someone that has tried the Nailboo and then used a different brand of dip color, then please put it in the comments and let us know how that experience went for you, because I haven't tried that yet. And I may try it on a fake nail, just not my nail. I may try it on a fake nail just to see, because it's all, as long as it's dip powder or whatever, I don't see a problem with it, but I'm not the expert here. Okay. I'm just sharing with you how I do my nails. But anyway, guys, that's it. So if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I thank you, thank you, thank you guys so much for supporting me on my YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me, and I will appreciate it. And I have a Facebook group because I do crafting. So if you're a crafter, then please join me at Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. That's my Facebook group. It's a private group, but you can send a group request or a request to join the group at Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. And I have lots of crafting tutorials on my channel as well. So if you're interested in crafting or want to learn something new, then try crafting. Okay. All right, guys. My motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.